Hello everyone, welcome to Maricel's Homestead Kitchen. We are here in Ate Bonnie and Ate Bonnie and Kuya Mike place.
We have our own chocolate hills.
Yeah, looks like chicken hills.
Yeah, very nice place here.
As you can see, looks like chocolate hills. You can see like
They're just back from New
see the
Zealand
lake is
yesterday.
there. That one there is 100 hectares.
And they are all here.
And that's where I was going to have the house.
Yeah, the original.
And they have also YouTube channel.
You walk out on that, and then you got the lake on three sides, and it's really a nice little area.
And they have, their mangoes have lots of fruits. See guys?
Coffee at work?
No, maybe after we have a lunch.
Wow, it's like we're going to eat for lunch.
Yeah, for lunch.
And our cook. This unsay? Unsa ni Ar? Unsay tawag ani? Calderitang goat. It's really calderitang goat. Not beef, goat. Yes, my favorite.
It's goat.
Did you eat? Did you eat?
Huh?
This one?
This is a chef.
And Brian's favorite, eggplant.
I do like me some eggplant.
Yeah. Come on, love, love. Here's your plate.
We call it aubergine. Yeah, we do in New Zealand too.
Spoon.
Usually,
Dai,
over
plate.
here it's
You know what? I'm asking her if there's hardwood over here because that's the way.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
And this is goat calderita.
Yes, love. Try.
You're lying. I don't think it's goat.
It's good,
There's some more foreigners
but it's
here.
yummy.
Kanding.
Yeah.
Haven't seen so many since we were here last. Not right.
Can you give me a spoon there? Spoon in.
Hello, guys. We're going to look their fish pond. And everyone everyone has a hat because it's very hot here. Dai.
Asindera. Marcel sa Manggahan.
Yeah. Oh, kana bunga di oh. Where yeah, wow.
Nindot pa ni Manggahan day.
Oh, you have pigs here also. I don't know. I have no idea. But I know the mango. Wow, there's a lot of mango here.
Hala, maka-harvest mo dyan sila ba?
Yeah.
Laka. Oh. Pero murag aslom pa di. Ug tamis aslom ni basta hilaw.
See guys, there's a mango.
I can pick a lot of mango.
The pig.
See?
Yan.
Hala, di ka na may mangga oy.
Oh, they have a lot. Laka.
Ay, di-sprayan na niya daw.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the view from. You can look this view from the door of their house. Yeah, nice kaayo dai.
Uy, labi na uwan ko so. Maabot sila do. Pero mga kakuyan dito yung ginagpaputol.
Oo, kay kuan man lagi na.
Te, unsa dito mo ang what is your
YouTube channel.
yeah,
The
because
Adventure of the New Zealand Expat in the Philippines.
yes. That's their YouTube channel, The Adventure of the the Adventure of the New Zealand Expat in the Philippines.
Please
So guys, please watch and subscribe.
like, comments, and
Yes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. I will show this place
share.
because from the window you can see the
Chocolate Hill.
yes. They have a mini chocolate hills here. See guys? Wow. It's very nice place. Very nice view. Oh, that's why I like it. I like here. Now we're going home. We're like piggy here. And here's my pasalubong. And there is one more. Thank you to Ate Buni and Mar and Ate Juan. Yes.
Imported chocolate from New Zealand.
Yeah. Thank you. And please subscribe to our channel. And Alma here, my new friend. I don't know why she likes mango. You try to show me how you buy mango the fragrant most. Baby na wants to like. Not me.
Especially
Not
if
me.
they are pregnant women.
Yeah. But not me.
Malutong. Aslom, lapitin mo salad. Wala akong tayo. Saya.
Yeah, it's crunchy. It's crunchy and it's good to be like a salad. Oh, it's very soft. It's very soft. So we're here. Yeah.
When you try to buy Bisomanga. Di ba doon you know?
Even guys, even if you get bite this mango, it's like nothing for me. Wala akong kilaway. No, I'm not watering mouth. Is it called that? Watering mouth. Yeah. And here
Dito kami sa sasakyan niya.
we're going home.
Kung saan namin, anyway, we're not
Yeah.
ready for sale. We have still freedom. Kasi ang pinto namin, ang kulungan namin.